And most of us know the dua, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasnato fil akhirati hasnato qina adhabin nar. Most of the Muslims know this dua. Yes or no? It is a verse of the Quran of Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 201. Oh my Lord, give us the best in this world and the akhirah, and save me from the torment of hellfire. All of us know, yes or no? Okay. Do you know one verse before this? Now who amongst you who is not a Hafizul Quran and knows one verse before this? Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse number 200. Raise your hand. Who's not a Hafizul Quran? Who's not a Hafizul Quran and knows the verse before Rabbana atina fid dunya. Before Surah Baqarah chapter 2 verse 201, that is verse number 200. Who knows that? No one. One person. Are you Hafiz? Are you Hafizul Quran? Hafiz? If you are Hafiz, then no, you don't qualify for the test. Even my son is Hafiz, therefore he cannot raise his hand. I told those who are not Hafiz, it is one of the most common dua that Muslims do. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasnato fil akhirati hasnato qina adhabin nar. Oh my Lord, give us the best in this world and the akhirah, and save us from the torment of hellfire. The verse before this, Allah says, they are the people who pray for dunya. When we give them dunya, we do not give them akhirah. And then the verse comes. The best are those people who pray, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasnato wa akhirati qina adhabin nar. You pray for this world, best of this world, and the hereafter, and save us from the torment of the hellfire. So, it should not only be beneficial for this world. If your goal is only benefits in making money in this world only, Allah will not give you akhirah. What is our goal? Jannah. What is the goal of every Muslim? Jannah. What is the purpose of our life? Worshipping Allah so that we go to Jannah. Our purpose is worshipping Allah. What is our goal? Jannah. Not dunya. But yet, you can ask for dunya. The Mufassirin, they say, in this dua, you're asking for three things. Oh my Lord, give us the best in this world, number one. The best in akhirah, number two. And save us from the torment of hellfire, number three. That means 1/3 is for this dunya and 2/3 is for akhirah. So the Mufassirin say that if you ask for dunya, see, you ask for dunya less than akhirah. Some say maximum 1/3, not more than that. Some say maximum akhirah. If you ask only for dunya, Allah will give dunya, but He will not give akhirah. In the other place in the Quran, in Surah Hud, Allah says, if you ask for dunya, Allah gives you dunya, but not akhirah. If you ask for akhirah, Allah gives you akhirah and dunya both. So the higher level is only ask for akhirah. Dunya comes in that. But if you ask for dunya also, you are permitted. Allah says, if you ask for akhirah, Allah gives you akhirah and dunya both. So our main goal should be akhirah. Even if it is 100% akhirah, no problem. Dunya will come as a byproduct. You know, byproduct. And I'll give you an example in the end of my talk. You do only for akhirah, Allah will give you dunya without fail. But if you do only for dunya, your akhirah is gone. And this dunya as compared to akhirah is very small. Average human being lives for about 70, 75 years. Some may die early, 50 years, 40 years. Some may die 90, 100, not more than that. 110. Compared to akhirah, eternity.